is Gwen, I'm the creator of this channel. Welcome! With me you can find cosmetic and cold process soap recipes and candle making process. For the first episode of the Easter collection, I'm making 2 boxes of 3 gourds of Gourmet wax melt each. To use them, simply mix them, then place the equivalent of a teaspoon of product in your melter. To make them, it's also simple. You need to mix some wax with coconut oil, color them and sand them. You will need pouches like those for homemade compote. I will make 6 different colors and scents. Rose blush Mica with Gourmet vanilla fragrance oil. The second one will be purple or violet with blackberry and blueberry fragrance oil. The third one will be blueberry, but its scent will be pomegranate pear with fragrance oil. The first one is turquoise with fragrance oil Dreamcatcher, is a favorite of my nephew this year. The fifth one will be green with Malachite Mica and pine of lands fragrance oil. So pines who comes from France, next to my home. The sixth and last one will be colored with tropical sky mica and scented with Barbapapa fragrance oil. Barbapapa. I don't know how you tell that. I will prepare each time the wax and oil mix, the white fragrance oil and the white colorant, and continue to move forward in the same way. I always respect the indication of my producer to know the different temperature for my wax, when to add colors and fragrance oil, and when to pour. I recommend you do the same because different producers or different wax can have a different temperature to work with. I leave you with the video and meet you again for the result.
Baby
My mixture is harder than I expected, but it's still cooled in my workshop, so the heat of my hand is enough to melt it and liquefy it further. The kid really liked the little sneak peek I made for them, so it's all good. And you, what do you think? You can find my recipe and links in the description box. If you want to see similar recipe, you can find what you're looking for in my previous videos. I hope you enjoyed this one. You can find me here on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok if you have any question for me. Have a great day. See you soon. Bye.